Okay, so week 2, we have another standing core workout, and this core workout is going to target the deep core muscles as well as the outer abs. And again, we're going to be doing it all standing, so it's another perfect workout for the office or if you don't have a lot of space. My main focus for this whole program as well as for this week is to add more functional exercises that will help you move better in your day-to-day life. So I want to help you improve your movement patterns so that you're not always, flaring up your lower back or hurting your hips. And this standing core workout is a great example of how we can integrate core activation and engagement in movements like twisting, lunges, even squatting or hinging at the hip. So when you're doing the exercises, of course, we are also going to be targeting the outer abs, but I want you to focus on your core working and really engage your core with each movement. That's really how you're going to activate it and strengthen your inner core. So the reason why I wanted to add these standing core options is because I know that many of you, I know that a lot of people, they can't just get on the floor and do core activation exercise, especially when they're at their office or even at home sometimes. So even if you're going to be doing the full workout with me today, I want you to choose a couple of exercises that you feel are really beneficial, that you can really feel your core working, and try to implement them throughout the day. Try to squeeze them in throughout the day. We are going to be doing about 7 exercises. It's going to be mostly body weight. I will only use one light dumbbell in one exercise. That's to do the weighted standing crunch exercise. So choose anything between 1 pound to 3 to 4 pounds, but nothing more, because we really just want to add some challenge and some tension there. We don't want to be overloading the spine here, because we are going to be holding the weights overhead. If you can't do that for now, just hold your arms overhead and do the exercise if you feel like your lower back, isn't there yet. And of course, one main important thing, just keep that core braced throughout the whole workout. And if you need to take a break, if you feel like you can't really do the brace for any longer, just pause, breathe in, expand your core, brace, and then resume again the workout. So it's going to be about 50-second work and 10-second break, but again, take as long of a break as you'd like. If you need to, just pause the video and take a break, and when you feel ready, just resume the exercises. It's really as simple as that. I don't want you pushing to each set just to kind of keep up with me. I want you to go at your own pace, at your own level, because we're all going to be at different levels. So definitely listen to your body and just use the workout as a guide.